Well, summer is fast approaching and you're going to want to have all your indoor, outdoor needs taken care of, especially when it comes to manning the grill and maybe even sprucing up the place with a fireplace. That's why we're hanging out at Schagrin Gas here in Rehoboth Beach. I'm with Mark Fry, one of the sales associates here, and you guys have a really big event coming up this weekend, an open house. So this is an opportunity for customers to see your products face to face, interact a little bit. Tell us about this event.
Yeah, we're having our spring open house this weekend, Saturday, May 17th from 9 to 3 here at our Rehoboth Beach location. We're going to have some grill reps cooking out in the parking lot, some fireplace reps on here watching their displays and helping some customers out.
And I mean, as soon as you walk through the doors, you notice how beautiful everything is. You know, I never really thought that a grill could be stunning, but here we are. Look how stunning this grill is. So customers will have an opportunity to sort of interact with products, see them firsthand. What are some of the things that are going to be showcased at this open house?
Yeah, we're doing our kind of beat the tariff sale. So $200 off any of the floor model grills that are on display currently. And then we also have some discounts on building outdoor kitchens. So our XO product is offering free doors or half off a door drawer combo set, which is shown here, as well as we're going to give away an outdoor refrigerator.
Nice.
So we're excited.
So what do people have to do in order to get their hands on that potential win of the outdoor fridge?
Yep. So what we're doing is any sales call between now and the end of the month, and any purchase between now and the end of the month is going to enter you to win the outdoor refrigerator.
There you go. I know some of our radio friends are also going to be out here broadcasting live, so that's going to be tons of fun. What else do you have in store for folks that are coming out to see you on Saturday?
Yeah, with the fireplaces, it's not fireplace season being May, but it is fireplace season. Now is the time you want to do your project. So you wanted to get it ready for the fall, for when that cold weather turns. Yeah,
that makes a lot of sense. I know people are probably looking at maybe their outdoor fire pits right now, top of mind, but you don't want to be working on a project that you need done in the fall. So that also makes a lot of sense. And they are some gorgeous fireplaces when you walk in here. Anything else that customers are going to want to draw their eye to? I know some of these pizza ovens are also really, really cool.
Yeah, we have pizza ovens from XO and Alpha, both made in Italy, and all display models are going to be on sale. Looking to move some of the product. They've been here on display for probably over a year. So come on in if you're in the market for a pizza oven, and we'll see what we could do.
Now for folks who maybe, they've got a grill at home, it's been old reliable for however long, but maybe there are some signs of wear and tear that perhaps it is time for a new investment, a new grill. What are some of the things that you would have customers look out for and say, you know what, this is the reason you should go with something from here? Our
grills, I say, are the 10 to 15 year grills, so it's not something you're going to get rid of after 3 years.
Nice.
So with our Napoleon product, they're made in Canada. So we try to stick with most of our product made in North America, with big American flag sign. But we basically, our claim to fame is it's a 10 to 15 year grill, or longer if you want it to be, with some of these build-ins that you can get.
Now talk to me a little bit about your customer service, because maybe somebody comes in and they have a ton of questions. Maybe they've never taken on a project like this before. It can be a little nerve-wracking when you've got a big project coming up. How do you kind of put customers at ease and guide them to what they really need? Yeah,
we definitely strive ourselves on customer service here at Schagrin. Been around for 93 years, which is amazing.
Yeah.
I myself been here for 22. But one thing that we can help customers out with is, from the start of the sale process to completion, we can help with if a homeowner wanted a gas line hooked up to their grill directly from their house, we can have that taken care of for them, because we are a full service gas department.
Incredible. So once again, some of the information about the open house if people want to come on out and see you this weekend, because it's going to be fun.
Yeah, 9 to 3 on Saturday. We're looking forward to it. We'll have some tents set up outside, some food cooking on some grills, and 107.7 here. We're excited.
That's right. It's going to be a lot of fun, like we said. So Mark, anything else that people need to know about the open house before they get here?
No, if you can't make it, just stop on by. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5, and on Saturdays from 8 to 12.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for showing us around, showing us some of the really cool stuff you have here. And I know that the open house this weekend is going to be very successful, very fun, and a lot of happy customers, I think.
We're looking forward to it.
We've got some more CoastLife to get to, though. More fun coming your way when we get back.